Have you ever taken a step and felt a wobble of uncertainty where there used to be solid strength? What if I told you there was one movement, backed by science, that could reawaken that foundational power more effectively than your daily walk? Movement backed by science that could reawaken that foundational power more effectively than your daily walk. For so many after 60, the simple act of moving becomes a source of worry. You might find yourself reaching for handrails, walking more cautiously, or avoiding uneven paths entirely. This isn't just aging. It's a sign your body is sending a signal that critical muscle fibers are beginning to fade, a process called sarcopenia. When leg strength diminishes, your risk of a life-altering fall increases dramatically. One single stumble can lead to a fracture, a long recovery, and a heartbreaking loss of freedom. But this is not an irreversible path. The incredible news is that your body holds a remarkable ability to rebuild at any age. Today I'll show you a single, powerful exercise and 2 supporting moves. Designed to reclaim stability and confident movement, sit tall in a firm chair, feet flat. Now, imagine drawing a circle with your big toe. This isn't just a fidget. It's activating the intricate network of muscles and tendons that control every step you take. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows that targeted ankle mobility work directly improves gait stability and reduces trip risk in older adults. How to practice? Sit with posture straight. Complete 5 slow circles in each direction per foot. Aim for 2 sets daily. Muscles engaged. Ankle stabilizers, calves, shin muscles. Key benefits: enhances blood flow to the feet, reduces stiffness, and builds the precise control needed to navigate curbs and carpets safely. Now slowly lower yourself halfway to the seat. Just a controlled partial squat, then powerfully rise back to full standing. If you need to use your hands on the armrests initially, they shake in your legs. That's strength being summoned back. A meta-analysis in gerontology concluded that Sitūsten training is the single most effective functional exercise for improving lower limb strength and fall prevention in seniors. How to practice: start with a higher seat, add a cushion if needed. Perform 5 to 8 repetitions with full control. Target 3 sets, resting a minute between. Muscles targeted: quadriceps, glutes, core. Key benefits: directly rebuilds the strength to rise from a chair, climb stairs, and stand up from the ground independently. Every successful rep is a vote for your autonomy. The final mover is the heel-to-toe rock. This is your dynamic balance train before you even think about it. Studies indicate this type of weight shift practice improves proprioception, your brain's map of your body and space, by over 40% in 8 weeks. How to practice: hold for support. Perform 10 smooth rocks. Build to 20. Muscles engaged. Entire lower leg chain. Core stabilizers. True strength is built in the rest between sessions, as your muscles repair and adapt. Overtraining can lead to strain, so listen to your body. The journey back to confident movement is built on these small daily victories. Your strength is not a memory. It's a muscle waiting to be recalled. Start with the ankle clock for foundation. Progress to the supported sit-stand for power. Integrate the heel-to-toe rock for agile balance. Steps will feel surer, and your world will feel open again. If this guidance resonated with you, please like this video. Subscribe for more science-backed strategies for vibrant living.